my channel, Nadine Speaks. So today I'm taking you directly to my kitchen to make these really cute Thanksgiving turkey treats. How cute are they? These little chocolate cupcakes that I decorated with candy corn and googly eyes to make the perfect Thanksgiving chocolatey treat. So I don't know about you, but I'm a huge fan of chocolate, and I feel like Thanksgiving there's always pies upon pies and pies, but I never see any really good chocolate treats. So I thought I would show you these really cute chocolate cupcakes to make at home with your friends and family for this Thanksgiving. So this week I will take you directly into my kitchen and bake with me. What's a better video than a bake with me during Thanksgiving week? Also, leave a comment down below of your favorite sweet and savory treats that you have during Thanksgiving. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button down below to see this beautiful face on your feed as I put out videos every week. I hope y'all are having a happy holiday season and are stoked for the new videos that I'm about to create for Christmas. So stay tuned and bake with me these really cute turkey cupcakes. So let's start off with the ingredients. First, you're gonna need any chocolate cake mix. I started with devil's food cake, chocolate icing, and candy googly eyes. You can find these anywhere in any store in the cake section. Also, you're gonna need chocolate sprinkles and candy corn to make those feathers. Then you're gonna need cupcake liners to make your cupcakes, as well as any frosting tips if you like to frost your icing that way, or you can use a knife. We're gonna start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees and lining our cupcake with the cupcake liners. Then we're gonna follow the ingredients to make the chocolate cake mix. First, pour in the mix. Then we're gonna add 3 large eggs. Then our cup of water and a half a cup of vegetable oil. And then we're gonna mix until it's not clumpy anymore and you have a nice creamy texture. What I like to do is scrape off the powder on the sides and then really whisk all the mix into all the wet ingredients. Then we're gonna put our cupcake mix into our cupcake liners. I personally like to use an ice cream scoop for this, and this one's really nice because it has the handle that actually puts all the cake mix into the tin. And I usually use a whole ice cream scoop for this. I really like big cupcakes. They only make 12, so you can always fill it halfway to make smaller cupcakes. Then we're gonna put those babies into the oven. And I was looking to see, but I think we're gonna do it at 20 minutes and we'll see if it turns out quite perfectly. After 20 minutes, stick a knife in it and see if it's done. If any cake mix gets onto it, cook it for a minute longer. But here our cupcakes were fine, so I was ready to take them out to cool. So while those cupcakes are cooling, I am going to put my icing into this piping bag. So I like to use this technique here in which you place the piping bag into a glass cup. And then you're going to fill your chocolate icing into the bag just like so. And I like to shake the cup to make the icing go down so that it's really getting into the whole bag. So once you have all your icing, you're just going to open it up and twist the very top and really shake that icing down. And then I'm going to put the metal tip and cut it with scissors. So now we are ready to ice our cupcakes. You can really ice your cupcakes any way for this part, just making sure that the top of your cupcake is covered with your chocolate icing as the body for the turkey. So let's fast forward as I ice all those cupcakes. Now on to decorating our beautiful turkey cupcakes. First, you're gonna take your nice candy corn as the feathers and you're gonna place them on the back end of the cupcake, sticking the white part in the middle. And I like to push them on the top to make sure that they're definitely secure in the cupcake. And you can put them at any height that you like. So now that you have the height, add the googly eyes in the middle. And then with our last piece of candy corn, we're gonna stick on that to be the little turkey's beak. So now you can decorate the rest of your turkey cupcakes to make your little turkey tasty creatures. Just know that none of this is perfect and they're gonna come out tasting amazing regardless of how they look. The last step that I like to do, and you don't really have to do this, but I like adding chocolate sprinkles on the top for a little bit of texture. And there you have it, your perfect turkey tasty treat that you can enjoy at home with your loved one. Alright, so any cooking video is not complete without a taste test. So live for you right now, I am about to taste these really cute chocolate cupcakes. Yes, their fate is now in my mouth. Pulling back the cupcake cover and I got a candy eye right in my mouth. You know, people don't actually like candy corn, but on top of these cupcakes, it just complements the chocolate so well. I mean, now I sound like a little chocolate connoisseur, what can I say? One baking video and I feel like Giada or Rachel Ray, right? I really want to know if you tried these cupcakes at home and what you think of them. They're definitely ooey gooey chocolatey goodness right for your Thanksgiving table. If you do decide to make these at home, I will link my Twitter and Instagram down below so you can tag me in your turkey creations. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have an amazing Thanksgiving. Bye guys!